Written logs, thermometers, and handheld devices don't meet the requirements of today's high-performance food processing facilities. Swift Sensors automates temperature monitoring procedures by combining easy-to-deploy wireless sensors with powerful analytics, instant mobile alerts, and detailed reports. Swift Sensors are compact, lightweight, and wireless. Connect to the cloud with the push of a button and immediately begin to view real-time analytics on any device. Receive instant alerts via SMS, email, or voice, and take immediate action if temperatures deviate from specified ranges. Generate daily logs and reports to satisfy regulatory requirements and audits. Reduce financial risk, increase efficiency, maintain compliance, and protect consumer health. Automate food safety monitoring with Swift Sensors' modern temperature compliance solution.